Stop being disrespectful. My window's open. Thank you.
Oh, look at that person trying to get off. He fell.
Hey, friends. Do I look cute? Oh my gosh, thank you. So, okay, I know you guys can see the list, but don't talk about it. Don't talk about it. Just focus on me, okay? So, it snowed outside. And I was like, that was my brother's. They're being very disrespectful, throwing snowballs at me. But I wanted to look good, get ready. Don't worry, when I'm taking the pictures far away, you're not going to see it. Stop being disrespectful. My window's open. Thank you. Anyway, so this is the fit. Got this leather jacket with a hoodie. Couldn't find a pure white cap, so I just went with ivory. It's got a little thingy at the back. And oh, there's my fan. That's kind of awkward. Don't worry, you guys will see the full fit outside, but I just thought I would take it along. So let's enjoy this snowy day and also enjoy the fits that I have. All right, let's go, ladies. Okay, folks, we're outside. You're probably like, Jade, the ladies. I know. But these are never serious pictures. So the one I had was ivory white. That was unacceptable. My brother actually happens to have pure white, and I was like, give it up, give it up. And he was like, no. And then my mom came and ripped it off his head, gave it to me, and I gave him the one else on my head. See, fair exchange, fair exchange.
Not fair.
Shut up. This one over here would not give me that tripod, and I'm actually really disappointed because he's just recording basketball. Like, that's disgusting. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and take some photos and then insert them in. The skirt, you see the fit, guys? Ooh, it's kind of cold. I'm not gonna stay out here for too long, but you see the hill?
Come on.
Okay. Just post them on Instagram, and then you guys go like, subscribe, and tell your friends about the main thing. Okay. Okay. My hair is freezing. Oh. Okay, friends. So I just finished my first shoot. It was okay. It wasn't great. Could have been better. I think this wig is just not doing me right, so I think I'm gonna go change into the braided wig. But my hands are frozen. Like, I couldn't even pose. I couldn't even pose outside properly because they were frozen. So this is just not it. Like, literally, look at them. And like, Jane, just move your hands. I wish it was that easy, Susan. I really wish it was. Oh man. So right now I'm just gonna change hair. So here's the braided wig. I think it'll do me much more justice. What do you guys think? This lace is not doing. It's canceled. Oh ladies. Oh ladies. This is the look. This is it. Why did I think of this earlier? Okay, I'll tell you why I didn't think of it earlier. Because literally, the thought of putting a cap over this was just not. It could work, but it's just not cute. Like, you know what I mean? Like, look at that, like, oh, you know what I mean? So when I thought about that, I was like, this is not gonna work. But guys, oh my gosh, this wig! Hold on. Hold on, hold the phone. Hold the phone. This is cute. Nah, cuz. This doesn't work. Maybe I can just do this. Maybe I can just do this like this. So looks like I'm gonna go outside hatless this time. Oh wow, I had mascara on my face. Y'all didn't want to tell me? Thought I knew y'all. I'm just kidding, I know you're trying to tell me. Okay. So I think we're ready to go again. I think the hair will keep me warm. So fun story about how this fit actually came together. So I had this long sleeve turtleneck that I bought from Amazon. And you can definitely find that in the links in my link tree to like my Amazon website. And so essentially I bought that from there, right? And my brother, while I was sleeping, mind you, I was in a vulnerable state. I was sleeping, goes into my closet, takes my long sleeve turtleneck, and wears it for his football game. What, bro? Disrespectful. That's what that was. So I did what any other girl would do. I told him he owes me $10. And then I went to my closet and found this one. The problem was, first of all, he was wearing that for football. Now, if you know what football come with, that ain't it. Because he was out there sweating. Keep the shirt at this point. Just give you the $10. And then on top of that, he can't even find it. So even if I was willing to take it, he can't even find it. Ridiculous. Anyway, we're gonna go try this. I think this is a lot cute. I'm gonna hit them with the, okay, sister. Okay, sister. Okay, folks, I'm back outside. No brother this time, so I'm gonna have to do this solo. I hope these turn out really well. The wind is blowing more, that's for sure. Let's try. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon. Okay, ladies, it's a lot colder out here. And it's like flaking. Do you guys flaking? Is that a word? But it's like flaking, I guess. It's like flaking. So, oh, look at this light. Wait, hold on. This is actually kind of cute. Hold on. I want to take some pictures, ladies. Hold on. Ladies, like I literally know that these like pics can hit so much harder if I had the right assistance. But your girl's out there doing her best, taking these pictures by herself. And like, you know those like cute pictures people, because I have the 12 Pro Max, and so I'm trying to like maximize my pictures, you know? I didn't pay $1,300 for, you know, lame pictures I could take on the 8. So I was trying to maximize it, you know, use like the 0.5 and like stand on the back, you know what I'm saying? But unfortunately, I didn't get the support that I needed. So I did the best I could. I did some in portrait. So go check out my Instagram, like it. And ladies, this is something you need to know about me, or everybody at this point. I don't care if you like a picture that I posted when I was 12. I don't care. Like, I literally don't care. Because like, I feel like people are just like, oh my gosh, she's stalking my page. He's stalking my page. Stalk along. I really could care less. Wait, I really could not care less. Like, I don't care. Because by the time you see this video, the snow's gone. Snow's all gone. So go like it now. So anyway, that's where we're at. We're gonna change fits slightly. And I'll see you guys back soon. Ladies, I know. Jay, the wig is on. I know. I wanted to try on this scarf. I bought this scarf so long ago. And I've always wanted to wear it. And I thought, what better occasion than a snowy day in Texas? Can I take this? So my only problem now is tying it. You know, they had this like fancy way of tying it. It looks all fancy and stuff. And oh, is that how they do it? Wait a minute, shut up. You're freaking lying, dude. What? That's how they do it, ladies. You saw it yourself right here on NBC. Well, right here on the Main Jane's channel. TMJ! You guys have seen it live. The light bulb of an idea for her channel. You're seeing it live right here on TMJ. What? TMJ TV. Yeah! Ladies, I know you just saw that come to mind. TMJ TV is here to stay, okay? Okay? This is cute. What do y'all think? Like, be honest with me. Stop trying to lie to me, sissy. No. Sabrine, stop lying to me, girl. You know this don't work. It don't work, huh? Wait. But y'all know that changing the hair, or like, yeah, changing your hair changes everything. Let's see how much it changes. Oh, it worked. Guys, look. You are my African queen. But look, guys, this is so cute. And then you know what my caption on Instagram is gonna be? It's gonna be like, don't be shy, ask me where I got my fit from. And then, well, that's about it. But it's not like, okay, like, get into it, like, okay? I'm excited. Look at it, look at this girl. Look at her. Look at her. Don't be shy, ask me where I got my fit from. Ask me. All of this came from Amazon, everything from the top to the bottom. Well, except the shoes, but that's about it. And they're all at a relatively good price. I think I feel a lot more confident about this photo shoot that I'm about to do. And guys, so many good things happened while I was putting this together. So I don't know if you remember at the beginning of at the beginning of this segment, I was like, oh, that was me pushing the button and hoping that it worked. And it did. Like it is gonna work. English. Like it's gonna work now. Oh. Wow. So it'll start the video, but it won't stop the video. And it stopped blinking. It's dead. Fun fact, it didn't die. It actually stopped the video that time. Ridiculous. Guys, I'm out here, I'm freezing, and I'm trying to use this stupid remote, and it's not working. I've pressed this button about 1,000,000 times. I'm ready, I'm like closing like this. I'm mad cold, I'm like, why isn't it working? I don't know if it's like some kind of special place. Like, come on, this is ridiculous. Oh my gosh, and it looks so cute. And like at this point, like the neighbors, actually, who cares what the neighbors have to say? Because I look cute. Period. So, okay. Anyway, hold on, but I think I'm crazy.
Like this was not this bad. I've never seen it this bad.
This is the best we've ever had seen.
Oh, bad. Actually,
See, there's nothing like lake anymore.
That's crazy. It actually covered the whole thing up.
Oh my
Sort yourself here first, guys.
That's a lake.
Anybody getting deceived, keep walking. You've been a mess. Oh, look at that person trying to get off. He fell. Can you see him? He got up. Because I don't want to be in a problem.
Period. Okay. So yeah. Anyway, thanks for watching our mini leave whatever thingy. You're the best. Bye. Okay, guys. So I just finished my last take. It was actually really good. Like, wow. And so this shutter. So guys, I realized why it wasn't working. I'm going inside out. It's because, sorry, I had to put the camera somewhere so I can finish out the video. Outside is only right, am I right? Literally, it's freezing outside, but the reason why my shutter wasn't working before was because something was holding down my, my power button, so it wasn't working. Ridiculous. The mailman just came by, so I just waved. But anyway, yeah, so guys, thank you so much for following me along. My hands are freezing, so I'm gonna get inside. But I love y'all. Stay safe, stay warm, stay happy. Love you. Peace out, queens and kings.